Hi, I'm Katie with ShopWildThings. This is item number 143070. It's our Green Hydrangea flower wall. This is a nice full panel that you can use to create a giant wall. Our team is always happy to help you with your measurements or figuring out how to put them up without seeing any seams. We have a lot of different ways to display this. We have a lot coming, so make sure to stay tuned. This particular flower wall has different variations of green. It's absolutely stunning. So it's not just one solid color. It has some nice variations. I hope you can see it here. And you can bend this around things because it's nice and full, and the panel in the back is green, so it's not very visible. Give us a call if you have any questions at all. Our number is 928-855-6075. Our team is sweet and awesome and super helpful. They love talking to you.